Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to do a quick review on some new Husky floor liner mats that I bought for my Toyota Tundra. I decided to go with these mats because it's easy just to wash down all the dirt instead of worrying about your carpet getting all muddy and nasty, especially since I do a lot of outdoor stuff. These Husky floor mats are one of the best on the market and I highly recommend them. They're really easy just to wash down anytime you have any kind of dirt, and all you have to do is just let them air dry and throw them right back in your vehicle. If you want to check these out for the best price and for your make and model, just check out the links down in the description below. These Husky Liners are designed from a rubberized Duragrip material, and it has a really nice contour for your specific ride. It has these nice raised edges that run along the door jamb, protecting your SUV from all kinds of messes, and it also has these little cleats that stick up so that it won't shift around on the carpet. Most importantly, they're guaranteed to work for a lifetime. Here's my 2012 Toyota Tundra, and here are the original mats in the vehicle. I just want to show you a quick comparison so I can show you what the new Husky Liners look like when they're in the vehicle. As you can see here, this is the front and the passenger front, and here is the rear carpet in the back. Here's a quick look at the carpet whenever you lift the seats up. You can see here how there's not much coverage there, but those Husky floor mat liners are definitely going to give some good coverage on the back here. Alright, look at the Husky Liners and see how everything is nicely contoured throughout the bottom part of the floor. You can see how it really goes all along the trim, even where the dead pedal is at, and also goes beyond the brake and gas pedal. And you can see how it even hugs all around the corner here, and it even has a little lip, so if you spill something or there's water and mud, it will basically contain everything in this little area. It also has the original mounting harness part where you can twist to lock in the mats from the original hardware of the vehicle. Now let's move on to the rear. Here are the Husky Liners for the rear part of the truck, and you can see how it really does a great job of contouring everything, and it even has a nice little lip all the way around the whole liner. And you can see even gives you coverage in the center where the original mats did not. And just take a look at how everything looks. I'm going to come around to the other side now, and you can see the same form factor all the way around the corners and around the trim. So this is really nice. Like I said, if you do a lot of outdoor stuff and you don't like steam cleaning your carpets all the time and don't want to have to worry about mess, you can really preserve your original carpets and not have to worry about any kind of mess. Since the driver's side has some carpet anchors, I decided to install one on the passenger side as well to match the driver's side. Here's the additional carpet anchor mounting kit I bought for the vehicle. You can check these out in the link in the description below if you're interested in these. You basically just screw them into the floorboard there, and then it twists to lock into the mat. Here are my original mats, and as you can see, the Husky Liners provide way more coverage than these ones here. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my quick little review on the Husky Liners. Each of these mats are custom fit to your make and model, so if you want to get yours today, just check out the links down in the description below. But if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.